Okay, it's right here. Whoa! I got it. Oh yeah. Nice spin. Excellent spin move. Boom. Wow. Great rebound, baby. Woo! Hold on, our CD didn't start. There. Yeah. I got it. What should I do with it now? Where should I roll it? I think I'm gonna roll it way over there. Or maybe just right there. I know it didn't go as far as I wanted it to go, but it's still, you know, you have to walk to get to it, so. Yeah. Okay. Well, you're just giving me the opportunity to roll it even further. Boom! You're not even paying attention. You don't even know where it is right now. You don't. You didn't see it roll. There's no way you can know where it is. That's not what I rolled. That's not what I rolled. That's the dumbbell. I rolled the steel rolling pin. Yeah, well, not steel. Well, I think it's stainless steel. That works. Yeah. Just gotta be specific. Where are you going? Don't you want to play with what's out here? What are you getting? Please don't bring the big one out. I don't want to play with the big one. Bring something else out. No, I want the big one. Bring it. You can bring something out here. You want me to go in there? We've been in there a lot today. Why don't you come out here? Stretch your legs. You don't want stretched legs? Well, as you know, in the battle of the wills, you always win, don't ya? Yeah. Yeah, you want that in there? Okay. Yep, I'm right behind you. I got it. All right. Oh, I gotta sit down. What? I was gonna roll it in. I had to sit down. Moving the big tube. Are you ready? Here it comes. Oh yeah, that was a great catch. Kind of a light little push there. Got it. Well, I was gonna roll it in. Are you just impatient? What? I got your beak. I got your beak. Burp. Yeah. Okay, here it comes. Ooh, beautiful roll. And what does he return? Nothing. No, not the big one. Anything but the big one. I'm gonna try throwing the littler one instead. Boom! Oh, both. Two at once. Very impressive.